Right here I have this amazing futon sofa bed and I want to show you why I love this. So this is going to have a chenille fabric on here, which is really soft. It's almost like a corduroy feel. We got over 10 inches in cushions here, so these are very comfortable, and this doubles down as a sofa bed. You can recline this back and you can even put this all the way flat so you can sleep on it, prop the head up. There's so many different ways that you can use this, making this perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, if you have a small guest room, if you have any kind of small space, this is gonna be exactly what you need. These legs are gonna be made with solid wood, and there's even metal springs in here with a memory foam underneath, making this super comfortable. It feels like an actual bed. Setup is so easy. When you get the box, all you gotta do is open it up. It takes less than 20 minutes and you don't need any extra tools. I was shocked at how fast I could actually assemble this. Now, let me show you how to recline this and what this looks like. All right, so let's just say you wanna take a nap. You just pull that up, and now we have a pillow. This is 69 inches long, by the way. Very comfortable. I don't even need to fold this down right now, and I feel like I could just go to sleep. I love how this pops up because it saves you from actually even needing a pillow. I'm super comfortable on this. I'm gonna fall asleep if I don't get up. We can also do the same thing on the other side, and all you have to do to put it down is just pull it up one more time. But we have different angles. You can pull it up once, twice, 3 times, and you can release it all the way back down. We can do the same thing for the back here. Just push it up, and then this is gonna go all the way down, and we even can pull it up just once. Let's take a look here. We can actually make this a recliner, so if you have a projector or you're watching a movie, you can recline like this, and it's very comfortable. I love how easy it is to just put these all the way down. These are actually held on with Velcro too, so you can move these around, and there is a little slit in the side here from these cushions, and that allows this to prop up without bending the cushions, keeping them really comfortable. Guys, this is very high quality. I love this. And it even comes in other colors. You have gray, you have green, you have this beautiful beige, and then you also get a blue option as well. For the price, this is absolutely amazing. You got a full bed here. This quickly just goes straight down to a bed. You got all this room, and it's just super practical. So if you don't have much room in your house, in your apartment, you're in a dorm room and you need a little bit more space and have that versatility, maybe you're gonna have a friend possibly stay over for the night, you could fold this down quickly and easily, saving space. You can game on here, watch movies, hang out. It's a beautiful couch. It just looks amazing, super durable, very easy, quick setup. I'm so happy with this. Don't forget to add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.